welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be upcycling polo shirt from Ukay, then my PE uniform when I was in high school. Before we start this video, I will give you a little bit of chika. I will be doing this, a matching set outfit from my PE uniform when I was in grade school. Then I will be using the 10 peso polo shirt from Ukay. I purchased it like years ago. Without further ado, let's start this video.
So hi guys, ito na po ang polo. Mag-voice over na naman ako. So ito na po, gugupitin ko na po yung polo from under the killing. Pagkatapos gugupitin, gugupitin na naman siya ulit for the buster top. Para sa ating tube. For the next process, prepare na natin yung sleeve. Both sleeve po ang kanya. Then, tatanggalin na natin to. Whoop, magic. Then, set aside the sleeve. Tapos, ito po, gumihit na po ako ng pattern para sa ating threads. Broken patterns po yung ginawa ko. Tapos, nag-prepare na ako ng elastic thread for sinulid sa ating bobbin. I will use it to have this ruffle effects. Pagkatapos natin tahiin yung ruffles, the next step is pagdikitin natin yung edges para malak na siya. Yes, that's why it's kind of dark. I forgot to open my ring light. After finishing the tube, next step is finish our sleeve. Still, I will be using elastic thread. If you may ask where I bought my elastic, I bought it in Shopee. For this design, I just want to make it simple but elegant. So we're finished for our first design. For the next one, I will be making matching outfit. Here I cut the pants. It's really up to you how short you want your skirt be. This technique is so easy. You can do it also in your jeans or denim short. Here, I'll be making slits, 2 slits, because I just want to put a little bit spice on my skirt. Alam mo yun, yung konting punit, char. And yeah, this is my cat support, her mommy. I think my cat thinking is, why this bitch sewing again? No one even watch her videos. Cherries. This is first time in history that I will be teaching my cat on how to make slutty dress charm.
Can you hear my voice?
fashionable. That's how you do it, char. For the last piece, for the last piece, sa wakas, you just have to cut the excess fabric just like what I did in long trace. Natamad na ako mag-voice over mga mini. Yun na nga, diba, ginapit-liyo ka na sa gitna nun. Then, pagdidikitin mo siya ulit. Then, pagkatapos mo tahiin yun, kukuha ulit ako ng excess fabric. Tapos kumapit ulit ako sa excess fabric para sa strapping natin, sa straps. Wait lang, ipapakita kong picture. Yung gantong sanang eksena mga mini. Well, that's the last process. I'm so excited to wear it. Ganda. Sige na nga, ito na. O diba, o pop, sino ka dyan? Sino ka dyan, Mare? Charlie. Yan, ako. Masikip mo siya. Pa-sexy, masikip. Pwede nang lipa rin, char. Bilisan mo ang pag-auran. Baka kabagin ka. At yun na nga, salamat sa panonood, Mare. Ang question comes na kami nila. Bye.